help economically the monastery and resume አይቻል ሌባ አለ
ሌባ ማንጋድ ወንድ እኔ ጋዳ ነው ጋዳ ወለና ዳውላይ ላይ አይከነ ይሄጋ ሄደውታ
ሰው ምን አለ ምንድነው ያለን በዚህ ሜዳ አይቻልም ነው you are beautiful nay come on take my food the water is here and this is what we came to see how are you come on smart man eh wait Abenezer Ndetna come on let's have a picture together hello 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 hello
hello hello
say hello to the world around the world yeah look at these beautiful kids here in Wolaita yeah good morning friends today I'm in Wolayta Sodo simply having a tour randomly and the residence of the people I don't know where to go but I love the view I love the greenness of what this area and I'm enjoying and at the same time I feel like to share you this environment the looks the vibe and the atmosphere the breeze of this beautiful area where I am right now this is inside Wolayta Sodo southern part of Ethiopia just stay with me I'll show you something and we'll find out together what we can get walking a lot inside Wolayta Sodo look at this this is the house the way the people used to live hi lo bay Soro እንዴት ነው
ደህና እግዚአብሔር
ሰላም ነው
ሰላም
እንዴት ናችሁ
ደህና
ስማችሁ ማን ነው
አቤነዘር ታምራት
ያንተ ስም
የኔ አቤል
ዘጻት ዋው እንዴ አንቺ
ቃልኪዳን ታምራት ታንቱ
እንዴ እዚች ምርጥዬ ህፃን ሰላም look at this cute baby cute kid come
please come
yeah do you speak English
yeah
what grade are you
16
you're grade 6 student grade
yes.
6
yes
wow you are fantastic what's your name ስምሽ ማን ነው ፌቨን wow ፌቨን ተስተራላችሁ በጣም Abenezer
wait
you're fantastic
yes
I love you so much
I love
enjoy I love Wolaita bro bye 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 okay salam do you see guys that view spectacular I think I have to go there and see I have to do that እዚህ ነው አር ወደ ተክለ ሃይማኖት አቡነ ተክለ ሃይማኖት ገዳሙ
አው ገዳሙ ወደ ታች ተወደውና እንዲሁ ታጥፈ ወደ ላይ ነው የምትወጣው ወንዝ
ይሄ አሁን የሚታየው ቤተክርስቲያኑ ተክለ ሃይማኖት
የተክለ ሃይማኖት ገዳም ነው
ኦኬ ሰላም ነው አይደል
ደና
how are you babies kids you beautiful kid say something say hi to the world thank you my bro I love you say to the world hi let's come on let's have a picture together hello hello say hello to the world around the world yeah look at these beautiful kids here in Wolaita yeah you're beautiful oh እንዴት ነህ ሰላም ነው በጣም ጥሩ ና እንዳብረን ወደዛ እንድ ስራ አለ ና አብረን ሰላም ነው ቤቢ ሎ እንዴት ነው ሎ ስምህ ማን ነው ማን አለ ተመስገን you are smart kid handsome I love you look at this place some downhills here ስምህ ማን ነው አንተ ጌዲዮን ዘላለም ጌዲዮን ማርቆስ አስኪ ራስህን አስተዋውቅ
ጌዲዮን ማርቆስ
ስንተኛ ክፍል ነህ ስድስተኛ ክፍል ተማሪ ተፈትነሃል ወይስ ገና አልተፈተንም ውጤት አሪፍ መጣ ጥሩ ውጤት አመጣ ስንት አመጣ 95 ከመቶ you are very clever student ጎበዝ ተማሪ ነህ ማለት ነው fantastic so let's go together to that monastery church ፕሮቴስታንት ነህ ወይስ ምንድነው እምነትህ ጴንጤ ነህ ጴንጤ is good so can you go with me to that monastery እዛ ገዳም መሄድ ትችላለህ እኔ ጋር እንሂድ በጣም ጥሩ come on heading to discover Abuna Tekla Haymanot Monastery here in Wolayta Sodo almost we're close up to the monastery to the church of Abuna Tekla Haymanot Saint Tekla Haymanot has been used to live as a spiritual man in the history of Ethiopian Orthodox Tewahedo Church in the 13th century has been born on the North Shoa Bulga and he was a very dedicated guy for spiritual works and he found this monastery in Wolayta Sodo so we are heading to see that salam asho soro asho ሲባል soro ነው ይባል okay look at around guys how green this area is can you all right let's go this way up and reach to the church of Saint Tekla Haymanot here there is a lot of tree nearby it's always in Ethiopia the monastery is to be covered with a lot of tree you know and those kind of spiritual monks in the Ethiopian Orthodox Tewahedo Church they are now founding a very nice place and protecting the plants and everything around there to make those places comfortable and nice for prayer you know that's what we mean by monastery actually so let's go ahead more and get something what we can find out we're almost arrived to the church look at around መግቢያ
እዚሁ
ተዛችን ሞክር ተዘግቷል okay we are looking gate but seems it's closed up. Okay, let's try to get another way to get in and see the inside of this beautiful monasteries of Abuna Tekla Haymanot. Look at the church there. That's where we are going to see. በዚህ አድርገን በዚህ ዘለ መዝለል እንኳን መጥፎ ነው። Here is the church. ችግር የለውም አትፍራ። Don't worry. መቃብር ምንም አይደለም። እሺ መቃብር is nothing. He's saying it's a grave area, so you have right, no problem. They are died, you know, they will never do anything, but there is something wrong imagination in our mind, and that's why we are afraid those grave places. Me, I don't afraid. Yeah, we get where I think. ይሄም ተዘግቶ ነው። Yeah, this is a grave. Look at this one. Yeah, it's open. This is the church, Abuna Tekla Haymanot, in Wolayta Sodo, Ethiopia. Now it's under construction. We'll see that close up more, and we'll ask some people if there are who can explain us the history and everything of what this beautiful monastery found in Wolayta Sodo, Ethiopia. Look at the church here. Here another one. Yeah, it's under construction now. Look at around how green and how there are big trees around. Look at the church. This beauty. Wow, I love it. You can see. Still we are in the compounds of this big monastery in Wolayta Sodo. Wolayta Sodo, the Remenkrat Abuna Tekla Haymanot Monastery and surrounding forest management project. ሰላም ነው? እንደምን አሉ? አይ ዝም ብለን እያየን ነው። ይቻላል አይደል? This is the monastery's project for dairy farm and the forest management, you know. It says like that. It's good. As we have seen from the poster here, this surrounding is used for breeding cattle and get some milk and other things, and at the same time the monastery works on managing the forests that are found in the compounds of this monastery as well, the surroundings forest, you know. Look at there, an ox, something like that stuff. It's kind of sketchy. ሰላም ነው? እንዴት ነህ?
አይመል
አይመሌ ምንድነው ይሄ ውስጡ ማየት ይቻላል ገብቶ ምንድነው ያለው ኦ ከብቶች ናቸው እንዴ ሰላም ነው ማዘር ኦኬ ይሄ የእንስሳት ማርቢያ ነው የእንስሳት ማርቢያ ነው በገዳሙ ውስጥ ኦኬ ገብቼ ማየት ይችላልው አይደል Oh, look at the cows here, guys. The monastery has cattle breeding for milk. Look at how it's good. Wow, it's beautiful. Cattle is being fed. Okay, እነዚህ ወተት ናቸው አይደል? Okay. It's good. You know, this is to help economically the monastery and Manalu Maza. It can generate, you know, income selling the milk. Look at the cows here. ከውቶቹ ከቤት አይወጡ ኦኬ አሁን ምግብ ሲበሉ ነው እዚህ ውስጥ የሚሆኑ got those small calves wow it's good work the monks themselves work on this project and they're trying to help the monastery by generating income doing these kinds of farming like this is a dairy farm how is being worked on this monastery Abuna Takla Haymant in Wolayta Sodo. It's a great work. This is what's actually supposed to be those monasteries of what Orthodox Tawahado churches to work on in supporting themselves by economy. This is a model work I have observed here in Wolayta Sodo, Abuna Takla Haymant Monastery. It's an amazing work. I appreciate it. Yeah, it's good work. ስምህ ማን ነው? እዚሁ ነው የምትኖረው? ገዳም ውስጥ? ኦኬ። እርስዎ እዚህ ብዙ ጊዜ ሆኖት እንዴ ማዘር? የዚህ ወላይታ ልጅ ነዎት? ወላይታ ነው የተወለዱ? ኦኬ። እግዚአብሔር ያበርታችሁ። በጣም ደስ የሚል ስራ ነው እየሰራችሁ ያለው። እነዚህ በሮቹ ስለምንድን ናቸው? ለስጋ ነው? ምን አለች? These are ox also. Fattened oxes are also here. Okay. Aha, ለእርሻ ነው? ኦኬ። እርሻም በገዳሙ ውስጥ ይታረሳል አይደል? አለ? አይ ጥሩ ነው። ቢያንስ እንደዚህ ያረግ ገዳሙ ራሱን በተወሰነ መልኩ ካገዘ በጣም ጥሩ ነው። look at the surrounding እዚህ ጋር ያለው ሙዝ ነው እንዴ? ምንድነው የሚባል? እንሰት ነው? here there is እንሰት crop nearby the backyards of this dairy farming house. Look at this. It's a crop used to produce a food called qocho bulla. This is insect very valued crop in the southern parts of Ethiopia. It's good work. Isn't it an amazing work? Appreciate these people. It's good. ወደዚህ መሄድ አይቻልም?
አዎ
ሌባ አለ?
ሌባ መንገድ ወኔ እኔ ገጣ ነው።
አሃ
ገጣ ወለና ዳውላይ ላይ አይከነ ያጋ
እንደ ደውሉ
ሄደውታ
ሰው ምን አለ? ምንድነው ያለን? በዚህ መሄድ አይቻልም ነው?
ሄደ መንገድ ወኔ
ኦኬ
አይቻልም።
በዚህ አይቻልም?
ደወላ ባረሂኒ ኦጌ ደወላ አጋን ተከተብ ከታ ጋር ግቢ
ወደዚህ አልፎ መሄድ አይቻልም?
ባንዳው ጀውርጂኒ ሜዳ እኔ ሜዳ ባ
ምን አለ
ሜዳ ሄዱ
እንድ
አዎ
እሺ
ሜዳ ነው ባረ ሜዳ እንደሆነ
ኦኬ እሺ ሰላም I just want to see
ጠይቁ
what happened. All right, no problem, no problem. Thank you. Osimo ምንድን ያለው ምን ይቀሟችኋል ነው የሚለው እኛን
እዚህ ጋር እንደቆመ ደግሞ ሰክሮ
Okay, okay, okay. Yeah, this man, I don't know what he's talking about, but is he just warning us to not go further this way? Because I don't know what he's talking about because he's speaking Wolaita, and this kid even trying to tell me, he said he has got some beer, drunk, and he's intoxicated, something like that. I don't know. Anyways, let's go. And yeah, he's warning us, I think. I don't know what he wants to say. Speaking Wolaita. I don't know that language. Or is warning us, I think. Or he just afraid us. I don't know. No idea. So let's see more. These beautiful areas of Wolaita. The houses here. Hopefully it's the safest place. Yeah, nobody's gonna attack us. Wow. I love this place, guys. Look at it. Wow, 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 wow. So green. Look at the view. How beautiful this place is. Look at that. This boy heading to see the river of this surrounding. የወንዙን ስም ታውቀዋለህ? የወንዙን ስም ታውቃለህ? ገነኔ Ganane river is here. Let's see that. Sheep. Oh. Yeah, over there there's a gorge. Water coming out from this gorge. Let's see that. It's F now. Here you see this is small germinating grass-like crop called F. As ወደ ወንዙ እንጠጋ ችግር የለውም አትፍሪ Yeah. Wolaita round mountain Damo. Heading to explore more the views of this surrounding. Look at the view. How beautiful it's. Woo. Love it, guys. እባብ ይኖራል እባብ ይኖራል ነው ያልከኝ እሷን ወደ ወንዙ ይወስደናል እሱ እንጂ ይወስዳል ወደ ወንዙ all right Look at this beautiful place in Wolayta Sodo, Ethiopia. Naturally gifted area. There is a gorge here. You know, let's see that close up. That will be very beautiful. Look at the view around. How it's green. በቃ ወንዙ ድረስ እንሄድና እንመለሳለን። Here there is a plant called cassava plant, tuber plant, you know. Inside there is cows. Guys, come with us. We're trying to see and show you close up this Mount Damo in Wolaita, Ethiopia. I'm heading more till I close up to the river. Show them, please. Look at this tree. Wow, super cool. Come on, guys. Trying to climb up Mount Damo in Wolayta Sodo. Oh, hey, oh, bye. እንዴት ናችሁ? ሰላም ነው? እንዳትወድ አሳያችሁ። These kids now collecting wood for food. Time to banana. Isn't it beautiful, guys? It's breathtaking, mind-blowing view. Look at here. It's a forest. Stop, kid. እንዴት ነህ? ሎ ባይ ስምህ ማን ነው? ሱራፌል። ለምን ነው እሱ እንጨት? ለምን ነው? ለማገዶ ነው? ጎበዝ ልጅ ና። ብራቮ። Yeah, these kids collecting wood, as you have seen, for cooking food and different activities in home. In the rural areas of Ethiopia, people don't have electricity. As a fuel, they used these woods, That's why those kids collect that. This way? So almost we're gonna make the hiking of this mountain. There are a lot of hills here. You can see. Hey, beautiful kids. እንዴት ናችሁ? ሰላም ነው? ወደ ወንዙ ይሄ ነው? ውሃው የቱ ጋር ነው? በዚህ ነው የምንሄደው? Guys, do you see this water? Wow. The water is here. And this is what we came to see. How are you? Come on. ስማችሁ ማን ነው? ወይስ ፍቃዱ? ያንተስ? ማን ይባላል? አባይ ነዘር። እንዴት ነህ? እዚህ አካባቢ ነው የምትኖረው? እታች። ኦኬ፣ እንጨት ለመልቀም መጣችሁ ነው? very good. እዚህ ምንም የሚያስፈራ ነገር የለም። ሰላም ነው? የት አለ? ማየት ይችላል? አለ እንደ ልብ ይታያል? ነው ተደብቀዋል? ያንተ ስምስ ማን ይባላል? Boys. Oh, boys. What an amazing name you have. So these kids, guys, you can see they're collecting here firewood, as I have told you, for You know, as a fuel, we Ethiopians use this kind of wood if we don't have electricity. So we cook our food, everything from the energy we get from those wood. And that's one of the factors that results is the degradation of the forest cover we have. But now we begin again the Green Legacy project launched by Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed. You beautiful kid, you handsome. ቆንጆ ናት በጣም። በዚህ ነው የምንሄደው ወደ ወንዙ ለመሄድ። Okay. Woo! You listen the sounds of this waterfall. You ride it. Hear the water. You are listening the sounds of this waterfall. Oh, there's a lot of people washing. I don't expect that. But there is water here and people are washing clothes. Look at here. Oh my goodness. Oh. ሰዎች ነው እንደ የሰሩት። እንዴት ነሽ? ሰላም ነው? All right, all right. ደስ ይላል እባክሽ። በጣም የሚያምር። ስምሽ ማን ነው? ዋው ቀዝቃዛ Look at here guys. This is the river in Mount Jamo, Wolayta Sodo, Ethiopia. Discovered this natural beauty. Yeah. It's very beautiful. It's cool. I love this beautiful nature. Look at what happened on this beautiful water washing. Yeah, trying to wash my shoe. You see the water he got. Wash my face. Woo! Wow, this is nice. Let's see more around this beautiful place. Wow, I like the view guys. Look at the view here. Allosh, nay. እዚህ ነው ሁሌ የምታጥቡት ልብስ? እዚህ እናንተ እዚህ የምታጥቡት?
እኛ ስበርዛ
ኦኬ Look at what happened to these clothes. I have to wash it. ነው? ወደዚህ ነው ወደዚህ አካባቢ አስተያየትሽን ስጪ ስለዚህ አካባቢ ምን ችግር አለው? አትፈልጊም? ካልፈለግሽ ችግር የለውም። ደስ የሚለው ግን አካባቢው ታውቂያለሽ? የት ነው እናንተ? እዛ ነው ቤታችሁ? እዛ አካባቢ ምን አለ የሚበላ ሰሞኑን? ምን ልበላ እችላለሁ? ባህላዊ ምግብ ምን አለ ባህላዊ ምግብ የሚበላ? ምንሽ ላይ ካሁን እኔ አላውቀውማ ምን እንዳለ ምን አለ? Anyways, yeah, they're afraid to tell me something. I'm asking them what cultural food is there in their home. They're not happy, you know. So our mission is done, exploring this beautiful water and back to home. በቃ ያው እየሄድን ነው እንግዲህ እንግዳ ማንቀበልም ብለሻል። ቻው። ስምሽ ማን ነው? ቤቲ። ማ? ቤቲ። ኦኬ። ስንት ያክፍል ነሽ? 10ኛ። Really? Grade 10? Wow, you're fantastic. You're fantastic. አንደኛ አምጥቶጪው? Really? ማርያም አንደኛ አምጥቶጪው? Oh, brilliant. ትምህርት እንዴት ነው? አሁን አንደኛ ነው የወጣሽው በዚህ አመት? So, why don't you explain yourself here? Say to the world hi. ቤቲ እሺ ቻው ቻው ነይ በርቺ በጣም thank you. You are very amazing. ጎበዝ ተማሪ ነሽ። እሷ ስንት ያክፍል ነች? አስር ናት። እንዳንቺ ጎበዝ ናት? ብራቮ በጣም ጎበዝ ነች። ጎበዝ ተማሪ መሆንሽ በጣም ደስ ይላል። አንደኛ ነው የወጣሽው 10ኛ ክፍል? 10ኛ ክፍል ትምህርቱን አውቀዋለሁ የተወሰነ እኔ ማትስ ለምሳሌ ስለምን ነበር ሶሊድ ፊገር ምናምን አዛ ያረጋላ የት ትምህርት ቤት ሊጋባም ትማሪ? ሊጋባ እና እዛ ከቤት እዛ እየተመላለስሽ ነው የምትማሪው? እዛው ሆነሽ ነው አከራይተሽ? ይሄ ሩቆሽ ማለት ነው ማቀበት ስላለው ምናምን? አይ በጣም አሪፍ ነው። ጎብጅ በቃ በርቺ። ቤቲ ነው አርስምሽ? አንበሳ ቤቾዬ ስላገኘሁሽ ደስ ብሎኛል። ቻው። ቲዋይ ትራቭልስ ብለሽ ሰብስክራይብ አድርጊኝ። ስልክ አለሽ? ኖ ኦኬ። ግን ለወደፊት ቲዋይ ትራቭልስ ብለሽ ዩቲዩብ ላይ ብትፈልጊ አንቺ ጋር ያወራሁትንም ማግኘት ትችያለሽ ብዬ ነው። ብለቀው ችግር የለውም። ነይ come on. Take my five. You are appreciated. የሷ ስም ግን አልነገረችኝም። ሁለታችሁም ቤቲ ደስ ይላል። ቻው። I love you everybody. Good luck. You are beautiful. Look at the view here, sky around. It's super beautiful, guys. So we are walking down to our accommodation, exploring this beautiful nature on Mount Damo in Wolayta Sodo, Ethiopia. It was an amazing time. Hope you love this video. So don't forget to share, like, subscribe to the channel. That's a very important thing you can do for me, but it never costs you anything. So don't forget to subscribe, share, like the channel. Hope you enjoyed this video. After having that long hike on that mountain Damo, we came back here and we're gonna have our food. It's a lunch. This boy was very kind. Look at our food here. It's a burger, and we are gonna have a soft drink. Now we're gonna enjoy. Do that great favor for me. I love you, everybody. Big up yourself. Bye.